Soft morning light fills the cozy kitchen, promising warmth and comfort. In a large bowl, hands begin to knead the dough, initiating a culinary journey. Homemade donuts. The journey begins appears on the screen, setting the stage for a sweet creation. Under a soft cloth, the dough sits undisturbed, a silent promise of warmth and fullness. Time quickens, the dough swells, a quiet symphony of growth under wraps. In a cozy kitchen, dough lies ready on a floured surface, hands press firmly on the rolling pin, beginning to flatten the dough. The dough stretches and flattens under the rhythmic motion. The dough reaches the desired thinness, perfectly round. On-screen text appears, rolling out the dough. In a cozy kitchen, classic donut shapes emerge under the precise cut of a donut cutter. Text appears on the screen, cutting classic shapes. Golden perfection. The donuts are delicately flipped, their golden brown crust glistening under the light. Flipping for even cooking, the on-screen text emphasizes the pursuit of culinary perfection. Donuts rest on a cooling rack, their sugary surfaces glistening. Steam curls upwards, a delicate dance in the air. On-screen text reads, cooling down. The donuts are submerged in a glossy vanilla glaze, the sweetness promising pure joy. The excess glaze drips slowly, each drop a testament to the rich indulgence. The words vanilla glaze appear on the screen, solidifying the moment. A symphony of sweetness unfolds as donuts meet a cascade of rich, dark chocolate. The glaze drips with sensuous grace, each drop a promise of pure pleasure. Chocolate delita, decadent dream takes shape before your eyes. Donuts await, each a canvas of vibrant sprinkles. Sprinkle magic, nutty goodness. Nuts cascade over the sweet circles. Powdered perfection, a collection of donuts, a symphony of flavors. A cup of coffee sits steaming beside a box of donuts. On screen, the words perfect pairing appear. A hand enters the frame, drawn to the colorful array of donuts. The hand carefully selects a donut from the tempting collection. Sprinkles shimmer under the light, turning a simple treat into an irresistible indulgence. Words materialize on the screen, their message clear. Time to indulge. A pastry is lifted, its surface catching the light, anticipation building with each movement. The first bite into the pastry reveals a soft interior and glistening glaze. Soft, sweet, and irresistible.